the Manipuri killer, Chorajit Laishram.
Took everyone by surprise with that entry.
And now, back to Cargo in the cage.
Comms, tail of the tape. Comms, tail of the tape. Comms, can you hear me? Tail of the... It's gone. Anyway. Cargo.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is the first pro bout of the evening. This is a grudge match. Now, fighting out of Sangorina blue corner from Gorilla Combat Assam, fighting in bantamweight category. A grudge match fighter fighting for redemption. Now, trying to make this even. This is none other than Prashant Jha! And fighting out of Terminal Spirit red corner from Warriors Cup Gym, Gurgaon, Haryana, fighting in bantamweight category, defeated in once, willing to do it again, hammering the final nail in the coffin. It is Chorajit Laishram!
Here we go, Chorajit Laishram taking on Prashant Jha in a grudge match.
Now this is the point of, is it going to be a point of redemption, or can Chorajit establish his dominance once again?
We'll see in just a moment, guys, just a moment.
Both the fighters, they look locked in, they look relaxed. And here we go, round one. Prashant Jha with a southpaw stance. Laishram switching stances in between the fight.
Right there, the takedown, Prashant Jha defends it.
There was a good knee to the body by Prashant Jha.
Nice hip toss, but you see that overhook kind of saved him. But Chorajit, an added layer of takedowns, now ends up in Prashant's guard. It's both early in the fight here, looking to land some damage. Again, guys, just to remind you, this is a professional bout, so guys will be able to throw elbows here. And he just dumps him on his head, right next to the cage.
There was sheer strength by Chorajit Laishram.
I do like what Prashant is doing with the butterfly hooks, though. He's going to get his foot in the hips.
Create some separation and try and get up.
Yes, exactly. Create some separation, try to get up. But Chorajit is heavy on the hips as well. He's got heavy hips. Looking to lay on Prashant and deliver a beating from the top. They're right in front of us here, the commentary booth. A grueling, grinding style of fight from Chorajit, who's now laying down some damage on Prashant. He's got a nice knee shield on him. He needs to get on his elbow, shift his hips, and he's already on his way up here.
Both the fighters staying calm in these grappling exchanges.
What you're noticing here, see, like from the previous semi-pro fights, guys are now quickly getting up. Like they know the technique needed to cage walk, how to use their backs.
Yes, absolutely. Their ability to get up is pretty much way more evident as compared to the semi-pro fighters.
Of course, but Chorajit Laishram, being the animal that he is, puts Prashant Jha right back where he belongs, on the ground. Prashant is doing a really good job in controlling Chorajit's left arm, though. He's grabbing onto that wrist, preventing any sort of extra damage. But Chorajit, being a purple belt, is smart.
Being smart.
He's got that arm isolated, Prashant
being
Jha.
smart.
He's got a bit of an omoplata here. He needs to shift Chorajit's right arm back.
Laishram needs to be careful. He has got his arm isolated.
He needs to move it towards his left side, and he's almost there.
Prashant Jha got a win by a leg hook once. Can he go once again against Chorajit?
Nice work by Prashant to just stifle Chorajit here. But Chorajit, wise to the situation, gets his arm out.
Charanjit now comes to a position where he can get a armbar at the same time, and
Nice shots by Charanjit here. Really punishing Prashant for that. He's got his left leg weaved over Prashant's left leg, and he can actually use that to try and take him down. Let's see what he does here. Prashant doing the right thing, stripping the grip. As soon as he does that, he should step back into Charanjit, get an overhook, and then work for an underhook from there. But Charanjit just brute strength takes him down right again. Oh, beautiful
Nasty
elbows.
elbows.
This is what separates the pros from the semi-pros. He's got one hook in, he's looking to take his back.
Those were some 12-6 elbows, which
Yeah.
are, by the way, legal now.
Of course. He's got his second hook in, looking to establish control.
Prashant Jha has to be careful here,
He
not
has to be
giving out his
really,
neck.
really careful. I really like the fact that he's controlling Prashant's left arm as well. Lets it go to land some serious damage. Another elbow.
nasty
Ooh.
elbows.
All
he's-
Charanjit Laishram round one.
Yeah, all Charanjit right now. This
Oh,
is
those are
nasty.
some nasty blows.
So much pressure from Charanjit.
Oh, is it under? I think it's across the face.
It's almost
Can't
there.
really tell from this
He's
angle.
almost there. I think he's got it under. He's got it under the jaw. He might just be looking to crush his jaw.
Oh, he got saved.
This is a beating by Charanjit Laishram.
Charanjit dominating the fight so far. Oh, I think it's under. I think he's got it.
He's almost got it.
Oh!
Yeah, he doesn't have it yet. He's got to sink. He's got to get that left arm behind Prashant's head, and then he can really start squeezing. And he's working towards it.
Prashant is in a very difficult position, and
10
Last
seconds,
10
to
seconds
go.
to go.
he just needs to hold on.
Yeah, he needs to hold
just
on
needs
for
to
10
hold on.
seconds.
5 few more
10
seconds.
seconds.
Beautiful work by Prashant, attacking the top arm to prevent
That's
the
it.
choke.
Saved by the bell. Charanjit Laishram dominated that
Pure
first round.
dominance.
Yeah, that was a really dominant first round. But I'm impressed by Prashant Jha's submission defense. Charanjit pretty much had that choke locked in, and Prashant was smart. Fought the non-choking hand, pulled that out, made sure that he couldn't get a proper grip on it.
And
Good work by Prashant.
Prashant seems to be very shocked by his grappling skills, how superior Charanjit's grappling skills as compared to him.
That was a nice takedown, just pure power by Charanjit. And you can see here, he's landing some serious damage. Those punches are getting through some of them, yeah? That was another one. Beautiful mat return by Charanjit. Yeah, he's got both hooks in and he's just laying on. This is what I'm talking about. He gets the top hand.
He was very close
Yeah,
on getting that rear naked
He
choke.
was smart enough to peel off the top hand so that he couldn't choke him correctly. Great work by Prashant in defending, but that was all Charanjit Laishram in round number one.
Prashant has to do something significant in order to take things around, turn things around, I'm sorry. And more than anything, I think he has to gain Charanjit Laishram's respect.
Yep, he's got to pop him on the feet and really think a takedown strategy. Oh, that was a nice right hand. Oh, beautiful. Hey, look, it's done.
It
It's
looks
done.
like he's done.
It's done.
He's done.
done.
Charanjit Laishram. What a performance.
They went to the temple, and then
Yeah.
he crashed down like a
Beautiful
tower. And there's a
Beautiful work.
signature backflip by Charanjit.
A dominating performance by Charanjit Laishram. Finished his opponent in Prashant Jha in 2 rounds.
Early in the second round.
Wow.
Caught him with a beautiful right hand and just sat him down and just
Just
went
to
to
the
work.
temple, I believe.